Commenting on the Global Hunger Index, senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal tweeted, "Congratulations Modi ji for eradicating poverty, hunger and so much more." India slipped to the 101 position among 116 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2021 from its 2020 ranking of 94, behind Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal. The Global Hunger Index report mentioned the level of hunger in India as alarming. All India Institute of Medical Sciences official today said that the condition of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is stable and improving. Singh was admitted to AIIMS on Wednesday after he complained of weakness and fever. While Congress leader Rahul Gandhi paid him a visit on Thursday, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia also inquired about Singh's health. India was elected to United Nations Human Rights Council for a sixth term with an overwhelming majority, said an official tweet. "We stand committed to work together with fellow members of the Council towards the goal of global promotion and protection of human rights," it read. A total of 18 member countries were elected on Thursday. A man in Madhya Pradesh's Betul district gave away free petrol to celebrate the birth of a girl child in his family. Petrol pump owner Deepak Sainani distributed free fuel on the auspicious days of Ashtami, Navami and Dasera after his sister gave birth to a child. He put up a signboard announcing 5 to 10% extra petrol for customers. An explosion hit a Shiite mosque in Afghan city of Kandahar during Friday prayers, causing heavy casualties, a spokesperson of the Taliban's government Interior Ministry said. As per reports, at least 7 people were killed and 13 were wounded. This came just days after a suicide bomb attack by Islamic State on a mosque in Kunduz killed many people. Russia yesterday called on pension-age doctors who quit during the pandemic for safety reasons to return to their jobs amid the COVID-19 surge. The country on Thursday reported its biggest one-day rise in the number of coronavirus cases and deaths, with 31,299 new cases and 986 fatalities. Russia has blamed the rising toll on low vaccination take-up in the country. M. Night Shyamalan's upcoming movie, Knock at the Cabin, will get released on February 3, 2023. The director took to Twitter to reveal the release date of his movie. Previously, the movie was set to be released on February 17, 2023, alongside Marvel's Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. However, by preponing the date, Shyamalan's film now has no competition.